In this video, we'll explore how to connect Node.js to a MongoDB database. We'll be using the MongoDB Driver, a crucial tool for this integration. On the left, you see the Node.js logo, a green circle. On the right is the MongoDB logo, a leaf. The double arrow in between signifies the connection that we are going to establish. So, what exactly is the MongoDB Driver? It's essentially a software library. This library acts as the connection interface between your Node.js application and your MongoDB database. Think of it as a translator, allowing your application to communicate with the database. Before we can start connecting, we need to install the MongoDB driver. We will use npm the Node Package Manager. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command: npm install mongodb. This command downloads and installs the necessary MongoDB driver package into your project. Now let's set up a basic connection. First, we need to import the Mongo client from the MongoDB library. This is done using the require function. Then define the connection URL. This is the address where your MongoDB database is located. In this case, we are connecting to a local MongoDB instance running on port 27017. Next, specify the database name that you want to use. Here we're calling it My Database. Finally, create a new Mongo client instance, passing in the connection URL. Now it's time to establish the connection to the database. We define an asynchronous function called connectDB. Inside the function, we use a try-catch block to handle the connection process. Inside try block, we use await client.connect to connect to MongoDB. If the connection is successful, a message is logged to the console saying, "Connected to MongoDB." To access the database, we get a database object using client.db, passing in the database name. Now that we're connected, let's work with collections. First, we get a reference to the user's collection. This collection will store user data. To insert a new document into the collection, we use the insert_one method. We provide a document containing user information, such as name and email. The inserted ID is then logged to the console. It's crucial to always close the connection to the MongoDB database when you're finished. This releases resources and prevents potential issues. Use client.close to close the connection. As a best practice, it's recommended to use try finally blocks to ensure that the connection is always closed, even if errors occur. Let's take a look at a complete example that demonstrates the entire process. We define an asynchronous function called main. Inside the function, we connect to the database, access a collection, perform a database operation, and then close the connection. The database operation in this example is to find all documents in the collection and convert them to an array using toArray. Finally, we call the main function and catch any errors that may occur. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.